Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.